What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you the best stock trading app to be using in 2019. All right, so this is going to apply to both iOS and Android, and just to give a little background, I've been trading stocks literally for over 10 years now. Now, the app that I'm going to be recommending to everybody is Robinhood. You've probably heard of them before, and if you haven't, it's all good. I'm going to go over them. All right, so I've been using Robinhood for over 3 years now. Currently this year, I want to say I've done close to 4,000-ish, almost 5,000 in profit on here. I've got my own strategy for how I trade, but I'm just going to get into the app. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm also going to show you another backup option if you don't want to mess around with Robinhood. But anyways, right now I've got like 2,100 in the account, which is not much at all. Just to show my history, which I always like to do on here, you can see I've actively bought and sold stocks, over the course of the last 12 months. So this isn't like, it's something that I have done actively. Anyways, when you're trading stocks, there are different ways you can, invest. You can hold a stock for, over a year, which I recommend doing because you pay less taxes. You can hold a stock for a week if you want. You can hold it for an hour. Whatever you feel like your trading strategy is, you'll develop it over time. For me personally, I like to hold for a little bit and sell. That's kind of like what I like to do. And right now, as we're watching this app, you can see the money moving around up here. So that's pretty cool, right? All right. Anyways, I'm gonna move down to some of the stocks that I have in here. We'll pull up. Looks like I've got like one share of Series. So let's check out what you can do on here. So as far as buying goes, the reason Robinhood has become very popular, among everybody with a phone is because they don't have. It's basically free, no commission trading on here. So if you were to go buy, a share of something like Siri, for example, you just click trade, you click buy, you type in how many shares you want, and that's it. You buy it at the market price. If you were, using another platform like E-Trade or Ameritrade or Fidelity, they'll charge you anywhere from $5 to $10 to purchase just any amount of shares of stock. So if you wanted to buy 10, they would charge you a one-time fee. If you wanted to buy one share, they would charge you a one-time fee. But on Robinhood, everything is completely free in that regard. Okay, anyways, some of the features they have on here, you've got charting features, so you can pull up a 1 day, a 1 week, a 1 month, a 1 year, and a 5-year chart. They also added something on here which is called Candlestick Charts. This is pretty cool because it kind of gives you a little detailed graph of, what's being bought and being sold. So the green candlesticks are the buying, the red's the selling. They also pull up volume for each stock of what's being bought and sold. You can see there's a ton going on here, over 2 million shares being bought and sold right now on Siri. You can also pull up, different, analyst ratings. This is something new they added. So you never really want to go with an analyst rating. You want to make your own educated, opinion on it. But they do show this. So it'll show you that, 17 analysts rated Siri as a 35% buy, 47% hold it, don't do anything, and 18% said sell. They also pull up news, for each one of these stocks, which is cool too. And you can see the 52-week lows, 52-week highs on here. And it's basically it for that. Literally, when you're thinking about buying anything on here, you obviously want to do your own due diligence when buying stocks. But, Apple, for example, if you wanted to buy some shares of this, obviously you could too. You can also click the watching, which will put it in your watch list, which is another awesome feature. Now, another cool thing about Robinhood is they just added cryptocurrency to the mix on here. So, if you're looking for a reputable stock trading app, obviously this is the one I'm going to be telling you to use, but you can also do some crypto trading on here. Right now, however, you can't do a whole lot. They have a few options on here, not a ton. Let me see here. All right, so I'm going to click the show more. So the cryptocurrencies you can trade on here, there's a few. They'll probably add more in the future, but right now they've got the basic ones on here. So that's kind of an option too. So, it's kind of like an all-in-one trading platform for you. So you can do stocks and you can mess around with crypto if you choose. All right, anyways, Robinhood, definitely going to be my go-to choice. And the reason is it's just so easy to buy and sell. Plus, you can check your portfolio on your phone throughout the day, which is fun. So, there's also different ways you can deposit into there. You can set up, recurring deposits, one-time deposits, and you can get started fairly easy. So, anyways, as far as that goes, check them out. I wanted to throw a backup app on here for everybody. It's called Acorns. So, if you want to invest money, but you don't want to have to actually do any of the trading yourself, Acorns is kind of like a cool little app where, you know, you put money into it and then they invest that money for you. You're not going to make more than like 2 to 5% on your money in this app, but it'll work a lot better than like a checking or savings account. You'll make more money, you know, putting it into here. Now, I don't have a lot in here. I've got like 15 bucks, but I've had like 300 in here. I'm more of an active trader, so, you know, I don't really need Robinhood for that much, but it's an option for people out there that don't want to have to like do investing themselves. They'll put your money into low risk mutual funds and ETFs, and it'll just be a better way, you know, of trying to make a tiny bit of money instead of putting in like a checking or savings account. Don't expect to get rich here. Anyways, though, you know, like I said, these are a couple of apps that I've been using for a long time. Robinhood, I've been using for like over 3 years now. Definitely, you know, the most user-friendly, and it's just very easy to use. It's reputable. It's trusted by millions of people. Millions of people are using it, so I do recommend signing up there. It's completely free. Check out Acorns as like a backup. You could always transfer money into Acorns on like a recurring basis too. You can invest it within Acorns, or, you know, you could just use it as a savings account. I'll have links in the description for both these apps. Check them out, guys. Start building some wealth and making some money. Please hit the like and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all later.